So here we are at High Knob.
Observation Tower.
High Knob, Hobnob, some
High
kind of knob.
Observation Tower.
It's a knob. So before we start up, let's take a look over here. Ooh. Oh yeah, we out in the middle of nowhere.
And I think last time we were up here, we found out this is like a place where bees are allowed to pollinate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bees. All kinds of bees.
There's the sun, too. Bigfoot?
Oh, okay. That's what parking lot. I think I saw copperhead, so just be careful.
We won't go that way.
I was going over to take like a vibey picture of
Yeah.
some coneflowers, and I was looking for those. Usually I don't see them, but I just wanted to warn you.
See ya.
Bye.
So Samantha,
What?
who did you meet from TikTok?
Her name is Whitney. She is under Appalachian Forager. She's really cool. She like makes all kinds of tinctures out of mushrooms and stuff. She's real cool.
Nice. So you met the creator Whitney.
Yes,
She's on TikTok.
she is.
Does she have a YouTube?
Maybe. I don't know. I've always just followed her on TikTok.
I have always wanted to meet Connor Creates.
That's cool.
Yeah. And here's about the bees.
There is. Look, it's a brar.
So there's bees and there's butterflies. All taking advantage of what's left of the blooms. I don't know what those are, but they're interesting. We're getting there. Morning glory.
Yep.
It's a little yellow butterfly. Oh, it's flying.
day.
You too, bro.
Wow. That is a view. And we're going back down. And there are bees everywhere, but they're not attacking.
It's a bee sanctuary. That's why all these flowers are planted here.
Ooh, hold on, I gotta get that snake.
What snake?
That one, right there, you see it?
No.
Oh my gosh. Can't get you on
I
anything.
like snakes.
Shoot. Can't get you on anything.
Listen, I'll take it home.
I tried, people.
Sorry. You disappoint the audience. I like snakes. This is what I know.
So, we're leaving this area. This has been High Knob here in Norton, Virginia. Remember, please like, please subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds. And I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you next video. Love you.